Hello and welcome to Monaco Villas. In 2005, this subdivision of all custom homes were built. The first thing we love is a gorgeous front gate. This is a landscape community. Each home has beautiful front landscaping. We're located in north central Phoenix right now, just off of Northern and 15th Avenue. Just a bit up the road is a wonderful park called Royal Palms Park. We're going to be taking a look at 1523 West Winter Drive. One of the best things, it's one of the few homes that have the 3-car driveway. But the most amazing feature you'll see soon is the 10-foot by 12-foot window wall, 16-foot ceilings, and a beautiful pool.